This is going to be made with 3 pounds, 8 ounces of clay. It's going to be 10 inches wide, and about 2.5 tall, 2.5 to 3 tall. Now, the size you make it is up to you. You could make one 8 inches. You could make one 15 inches. You could make it short, 2 inches. You could make it tall, 4 inches. It's up to you. And I'm at 10.5, which is fine. First thing I'm going to do is smooth this inside here. No one's going to see it. It's up underneath your tray. And let's bring these walls up. Okay, that's the start of it. And I'm going to clean up this, take the slip off this outside, and take my finger marks out of it, though one can certainly leave them there. Now there's my wiggle pattern, which I really like. And I'm just not gonna trim a lot off this.